In this video, I'm going to be making homemade wood stain easy. Make sure you watch to the end because I'm adding something to this concoction that changes things up quite a bit. We're going to be using vinegar, a pint jar, some steel wool, and a pair of scissors to get this project started. So let's go. Here you can see the chemical reaction taking place, and you can start to see the vinegar start to get a little darker in color. The more the steel wool breaks down, the darker it's going to get. So just add hydrogen peroxide and it turns this stain dark. Now I did that because the vinegar stopped reacting a little bit, and all this was done in one single day. So as you see here, me adding the stain to some different pieces of wood, I did this all in a day. So I've got spruce pine fir, the long piece down at the bottom of the screen. In the middle triangle is a piece of pine, and the top right's a piece of green poplar. And you'll see the dramatic change that I have in all three of these pieces of wood here once I add the stain. And when I flip it over, you're going to see this is me adding it for the video here. The flipped over portion is what I did earlier in the day and letting it sit throughout the day. Look at that. That's just amazing. So it's the same stain as I just put on, but it's been allowed to sit a little longer, and see how weathered and aged that wood looks. And it's not a oil-based stain, so you get that amazing look for pretty simple and pretty easy and fairly cheap investment.